Hey there, fellow gearheads. Today we're diving deep into the mysterious world of car trouble codes, specifically the elusive C1612. This little code packs a punch, signaling a problem with your car's electrical system, particularly the ignition voltage. Now, you might be thinking, Scotty, what in tarnation is IG voltage? Well, hold your horses. It's the lifeblood of your car's electrical system, supplying power to vital components like your engine control unit, fuel pump, and even your fancy parking assist system. When this code pops up, it's like your car is trying to tell you, hey, something's fishy with my electrical system. It's crucial to pay attention because ignoring it could lead to some major headaches down the road, from engine misfires to a complete system shutdown. So buckle up, Buttercup, as we unravel the mysteries of the C1612 code and learn how to get your car back in tip-top shape. All right, folks, let's break down this IG voltage thing. Think of it as the heartbeat of your car's electrical system. It's the juice that flows from your battery to all the important components, making sure everything runs smoothly. Now, when you turn the key in the ignition, you're essentially flipping a switch that allows this electrical current to flow. But just like a heart needs a steady rhythm, your car's electrical system needs a consistent and correct voltage to function properly. Too much voltage and you risk frying sensitive electronics. Too little and your car might struggle to start or even stall out completely. That's where the C1612 code comes in. It's your car's way of waving a big red flag and saying, hey, my electrical system is out of whack. It could mean the voltage is too high, too low, or fluctuating like a roller coaster. So the next time you see that C1612 code staring back at you from your OBD2 scanner, don't panic. Alright, so you've got the C1612 code. Now what? Well, it's time to put on your detective hat and track down the culprit behind this electrical mischief. One of the most common culprits is a faulty ignition switch. This little guy is responsible for turning the electrical flow on and off when you turn the key. Over time it can wear out, get dirty, or even break, causing all sorts of voltage problems. Another suspect is a loose or corroded battery connection. Remember, the battery is where all that electrical juice originates. If the connections are bad, the voltage can drop, leading to that pesky C1612 code. Don't forget about the wiring harnesses. These bundles of wires act like the veins and arteries of your car's electrical system, carrying the current to different components. Over time, they can become damaged, frayed, or corroded, disrupting the flow of electricity. And let's not rule out the alternator, the hard-working component that keeps your battery charged. If it's not doing its job properly, your battery won't receive the juice it needs, leading to, you guessed it, voltage problems. Now, you might be wondering, Scotty, what's the worst that could happen if I ignore this C1612 code? Well, let me tell you, a misbehaving electrical system can lead to a whole host of problems, some more serious than others. First off, you might experience engine performance issues. Your car might hesitate, sputter, or even stall out completely. This is because the engine control unit, the brains of your engine, relies on a steady supply of voltage to function properly. Next up, you could have problems with your transmission. Modern transmissions are controlled by computers that rely on, you guessed it, electrical signals. A faulty IG voltage can mess with these signals, causing erratic shifting or even putting your transmission into limp mode. And don't even get me started on safety systems. Many modern cars rely on electrical sensors and actuators for features like anti-lock brakes, airbags, and stability control. If the IG voltage is out of whack, these systems might not work properly, putting you and your passengers at risk.